Hi everyone, today I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. This is for a simple soft glam look. It looks full glam, but it's actually soft glam. It's very easy, very simple, very quick. So you're going to start off with primer. I'm going to be using this Tatcha silk canvas primer that my mom got me. I don't know if I said that right. Tatcha? I don't know. Anyway, I like this stuff a lot. It makes my makeup look very, very smooth. I just started using it too. I know it's expensive. I don't even know how my mom got this or why, but baby, I am grateful. So you're gonna start off putting primer on your face. I already washed my face and moisturized it, which is like the most important step. Don't ever do your makeup without washing your face and moisturizing it first. It's very, very important. You need your skin to have a good base and a good foundation in order for your makeup to look right. Doesn't matter how expensive the makeup products you have on. If you don't take care of your skin properly, your makeup is not going to turn out right. So yes. After that, first step I do is my eyebrows. Now some people got full eyebrows. I don't got no full eyebrows. So I got to fill mine in. Now baby, trust the process, okay? It's going to look ugly at first. Don't make fun of me. Don't laugh at me. So, I like to use, Lord, Jesus Christ. I like to use the eyebrow pomade. I used to use a pencil, but I've been seeing like people on Instagram use pomade, so I wanted to try it, and I actually really liked it. I used to use pomade a lot when I was in high school, but I stopped. So now I got back into the pomades, and I really like it. Me personally, see, it's a little dark, but you're gonna brush it out so it's not so dark. Yeah, you just gotta trust the process when it comes to eyebrows. Oh Lord, you see that? Lord help me, Jesus Christ! Like, this is why concealer is your best friend. I might do an imperfect eyebrow tutorial video and say watch me struggle. So you're gonna use something like this, a brush like this, a flat brush. And you just follow a natural line at the bottom. To you are all things, you deserve the glory. You are worthy of it all. Hey, you are worthy of it all. For from you are all things, and to you are all things. You deserve the glory. Hey, day and night, night and day, let incense arise. Emana. Just stretch it out and keep your shirt on. I missed my eyebrow. We're gonna start off with a nice light pink at the top. I guess I'll do like this and this at the end. Always on foundation. Yeah, that's it. We're doing full coverage because this makeup is gonna stay on me all day. This Ruby Kisses. I like to mix this one and this one. I don't know what I'm doing, guys. So yeah, let's do that. And I like to put it like this. It looks better the lower I put it. I've realized. The blush, I really like the blush look. It's just so pretty. Before the concealer, and they put this on. But I didn't have to. Okay. I actually really like this concealer. It's very creamy, but I like that. It's a really good concealer. I like e.l.f. and I want to buy more e.l.f. products. It's really good for people who are just starting off in makeup and need something reasonably priced. You know? Get the under eye really, really good. Look, one thing about me, I'm gonna take my time blending this. You have to take your time. Oh, man. This was supposed to be soft glam, but I'm not doing soft glam anymore. Because this one's so creamy that it causes creases really bad. So you're gonna go ahead and spray. This is the dewy one. I just bought this, so I don't know how it works yet. I just tend to get creases under my eyes, right? So I learned a trick from Aaliyah J. I think that's her name on YouTube. Okay, you can already see. If you look really close, you can already see it wants to crease. So what you're gonna do is, what I'm gonna do is get my Black Radiance press powder. You're gonna get your powder puff and you're just gonna and put it all. This helps keep the concealer in place, which I just learned. I like press powder because it helps keep it from creasing. Any place you crease, you're gonna go ahead and put the press powder. So I crease around my mouth, so the press powder right there. I usually crease my forehead as well. As you can see, my forehead is not showing today, so. And then I like to go in with I really like this bronzer. I don't know where my mom bought this for me. I don't know where she got it from, but I absolutely love it. It just gives me a nice sun-kissed look. It's very subtle. And then I'm gonna go in with the powder blush, which I do while I'm sitting, yeah. So this is a blush I have. My mom gave this to me. I don't know where she got it. What you think so far?
What?
Thanks, it's Pookie. And we got this fixing spray, okay? And I'm gonna put on the matte setting spray because this stuff gets really oily and I don't want it to look greasy. Look good though. Purr. I wanna know who you really are. 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 Alright guys, moment of truth. The highlighter. I actually don't like this highlighter that much. How do I forget it? This is the final look. What do you think, guys? I like it.